Are the junior miners on the launch pad getting ready to take off? I'm going to explain to you in this video why I think the juniors are set up for an explosive move higher in the near future. Here's a chart of the never-ending cycle of fear and greed that all markets follow over time. I think that the junior miners are in the skeptical phase or the trough of the cycle right now. One of the reasons that I think the miners are potentially bottoming out and investors are feeling very skeptical about this sector is the valuation of some of the more advanced explorers that have resource estimates. They usually bottom out at around $10 per ounce of gold in the ground. One example is Getchell Gold, that is now trading at $8.25 per ounce of gold in the ground with its 2.3 million ounces of gold resource. Silver usually bottoms out below 30 cents per ounce in the ground. And one example is Silver 47, currently trading at 17 cents per silver equivalent ounce in the ground. Both are outstanding companies trading at a great price, and I do own shares in both of these names. Another sign of a bottoming resource sector is often good companies have been trading down for more than 3 years. Here's a 3-year chart of Getchell again. It is looking washed out, and it was below 10 cents last year, so even lower. But the chart is really looking like the sellers are drying up here. Silver 47 is a new IPO, so not enough data to really show a chart on that one yet. Another sign of a bottoming resource sector is some of the stronger names start giving a bellwether effect, meaning the stock is showing some relative strength, possibly near the end of the entire sector decline. Here's a 3-year chart of equity metals that could be acting as a bellwether, possibly starting an uptrend with a higher low and higher high. Equity has a very high grade deposit in a good jurisdiction of British Columbia, so it has held up a little better than a lot of these juniors. The junior mining sector has been in decline overall for several years now. The last time the sector ran was coming out of the COVID lows, and some of the names really ran up. Here's Equity Metals again in 2020. It ran from 4 cents up to 33 cents, so an eightfold move higher. So you can see the potential of what some of these juniors can do when you get a sentiment shift from fear to greed. Many of these juniors have the potential to gain several hundreds of percent. The junior resource sentiment has always turned in the past. Horrific bear markets give way to euphoric bulls, creating a roller coaster ride effect. The valuations are at historic extreme lows on a per ounce basis, and some strength in some of the stronger resource juniors could be a sign also that the bottom is forming and an upswing could occur, turning this bear market into a bull. This is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence on all investments. See you next time.